This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Now we come to nerves. A nerve is a group of axons and or dendrites, many neurons with blood vessels and connective tissue. They come together and form a nerve. The innermost layer in the nerve is endoneurium. Endoneurium is a delicate structure which surrounds each axon in a nerve. Then there is a perineurium, which is smooth connective tissue, supports each bundle of fibers. A bundle contains a lot of axons. And then epineurium, which covers the whole nerve. This is fibrous tissue which surrounds and encloses a number of bundles of nerve fibers. Most large nerves are covered by epineurium. It is the outermost layer of nerve. It should be clear to you that a nerve contains a lot of neurons and axons and nerve cells. Here you can check it that this is one axon, this is a bundle of axons, and this is whole nerve which contains many bundles of nerves. Types of nerves. Nerves may be of three types: sensory nerve, motor nerve, or mixed nerve. Sensory nerve are made up of only sensory neurons, means all the neurons which make a nerve are sensory. The optic nerve for vision and olfactory nerve for smell are example of nerve with a purely sensory functions. These nerves carry information from the body to spinal cord or brain. Motor nerve. Motor nerves are made up of only motor neurons. Some cranial nerves are motor nerves. Now mixed nerves. A mixed nerve contains both sensory and motor neurons. Most of our spinal nerves, such as sciatic nerve in the leg, they are mixed nerves.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.